everyone. I'm going to talk about how to install Jupyter Notebook on Gentoo Linux. So I'm going to make it larger. Echo again. How to install Jupyter Notebook on Gentoo Linux. So first, I don't want to install Miniconda anymore because I used to use Miniconda a lot. I want to try the original Jupyter Notebook packages installed from Gentoo Linux Package Manager. So we do sudo image Jupyter. Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's calculating dependencies, so that means there might be a lot of packages to be installed. Okay, so as I said, there are a lot of packages, so probably it's too big. So let's go. Let's do it again. Okay. A lot of dependencies. Command line is sudo image -a Jupyter. So what -a means? So I'm gonna show it here. -a means before do any further action you need to ask. So it's here. Okay. So -a is a shorter parameter for --ask. So before you need to do any further action, you need to ask. So the computer need to ask me if you need to go further or go next action. So for example, if you have -a before you install the Jupyter Notebook, it will ask you, would you like to install these packages? Without it, of course you can do sudo image Jupyter. You can delete it, but it will not ask you. It will just directly install all the packages. So let's see what's going on. It shows there are a lot of packages to be installed. I am a minimalist. I like minimalism. So I like things to be as simple as possible. So I'm gonna check there if I can make this simpler. I see, as you can see, this is USE flags. It's unique to Gentoo Linux. If you are interested, I'm going to talk about this in the future. These two green USE flags are highlighted. So that means right now my Python has not these two flags. Readline, SQLite is a database. And also, as you can see, these red ones are installed with these packages by default. So I'm going to try to remove these flags. How do I do this? So I'm going to use my Vim editor. Vim is my favorite editor. So how to add /etc/pottage/package.us. So I'm going to edit this file. First I'm going to search lib if I have this in the file. No, pattern not found. So I need to add it. And to add it to see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna delete these two US. How to delete it? I just copy them, put a 2 like minus signs in front of them. So I'm gonna and then this package, okay, it has sodium by default. I'm gonna just try to delete all these US flags opened by default. Try to remove them. Okay, I'm gonna search here. I'm gonna search 0MQ if I have it in the list. Yes, I do have it. So add this and delete it. Let me try. Okay. Mod 2. Search this one and to see if I can remove that flag. No, I don't have it, so I need to add it at the bottom. So delete it. Okay, save. And this has native extensions. Try to. No, I need to add it. I just try to not to install any USE flags. There might be not necessary, so I try to delete them first, and then if they're necessary or the emerge package manager will tell me. Save. Let's see what else. As you can see, all these ones are good. Maybe this one, twisted. Okay, let me search twisted. No, so that means I'm gonna add twisted. SSL and IPython. Try to. No, so I need to add IPython. I don't know what it is, but I'll let emerge tell me if they're necessary or not. This package, Node.js, if you install this package, it's gonna take a long time. Save this file, and I'm gonna rerun the code again. Sudo emoji -a ask Jupyter again to see what's gonna happen. Let's see this one. Okay, Node.js, I have to add this flag, USE flag. It's required by Jupyter, by Notebook, by Jupyter Lab. Okay, so let's add it. Okay, Node.js, let's search this file. Node.js. Okay, so add this one. Let's see this drafts 0MQ. Okay, so drafts cannot be 0MQ. Draft must be deleted. Alright, so let's see this one, last one. Python must have QLite and readline flags. So not format. Okay, no problem. Let's add it. Python. SQLite and readline. Okay, that's it. Let's search it again, just in case. Alright, no problem. So let's save it and rerun this code command line again. Sudo emerge -a Jupyter. it's gonna take a long time, so I'm not gonna show you the whole prompts when it's installing. But before the installation, I just want to show you how I make it as simple as possible. And follow the minimalism. Okay, let's check it again. Good. All the USC flags are reasonable. Good. So this test rust or parentheses, that means they are mandatory by default. Good. Node.js or I actually already configured Node.js US flags. One more thing, I'm not saying the USC flags disabled by me are correct or right moves, because in the future you need to do many tests, or you don't have to do any tests. You just use the Jupyter notebook to find something that is not functioning well or does not work correctly. So you might need to do some research which USC flag should be enabled. As I said, I try to make things as simple as possible, so that's why I try to disable every unnecessary USC flags. So everything is good, so let's go. Let's press the enter key, let it run.